everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am excited because I purchased the new Makeup Geek eyeshadows. If you guys have been watching me here on my channel, you know that I'm obsessed with the Mega Matrix palettes, and these are just an extension. So if you wanted to, you can switch out the shimmer shades for these, or really any row of these. You can buy these separate. I believe they retail for $7.99. I will pop it up on the screen just to make sure. But before we get into these, I just wanted to say, if you're new around here, welcome. My name is Jackie. If you like the vibe, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you guys want to come back and watch them. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I already primed my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and show you these shadows up closer. Okay, so these are the shadows up closer. Very pastel-y, very beautiful, very cotton candy vibes. I don't know, I just love it. So starting from here down, I'm going to go ahead and give you the names. So first we have the green shade, which is Mint to Be. Then we have the blue one, Code Blue, Lavender Dreams, Pretty in Pink, Cotton Candy, and Bellini. And those are the 6 new shades. So I don't really have a huge plan, but my plan is to use as many of these as I can. So we're going to go right into the first shade, which is the shade Bellini, and I will be popping them up on the screen for you guys. That way you guys know exactly what I'm using when I'm using it. And I'm just going to pop it up here. And I'm going in with a fluffy Moda brush, and I'm just taking that right into my crease, kind of just blending out. Today's definitely one of those days that I'll probably use a brush per shade, just because I'm going to be doing both eyes. So now going into the next shade, I'm going in with the M574. I'm just going to go ahead and pop this into the inner corner. Kind of onto the inner corner, more on the inner eye part, and blend out. And I'm kind of just keeping it here, concentrated into the inner eye part. And then I'm just going to take the fluffy brush that we were using earlier, and I'm just going to help that fade a little bit. And using that same M74, we're going to go into the little rosy shade and apply that right after. And kind of ombre it down. We kind of want a gradient here. And I'm just kind of using tapping motions. These are super pigmented. So I'm tapping it on, and then I'm using the other brush to blend. And then using that same brush, going into the lavender shade and just putting it on the same way. Just applying with the little dabbing motions. And then start blending. Okay guys, so once that's nicely blended, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm just taking my Morphe M167, and I'm just going to apply this here on my eyelid, and I'm going to look up slightly. I'm not going to super exaggerate or let it go up too high, I should say, my cut crease, because there's nothing that will really transfer, and you'll see right now. So once I have the crease cut, I'm actually just going to take my Nakia Joy finishing powder. I just spilled that. And I'm just gonna take it with any brush and just kind of like set the concealer. So I don't really want any color. I kind of just want it to stay kind of white, off-white, whatever color the concealer is. Okay, so now that I have that done, we're gonna go back into the little pinky shade, and I'm just taking that on a Morphe M321, and this is just gonna go in, and we're gonna make kind of like eyeliner but with the shadows. So just taking that and starting to apply here from the inner corner, and we're gonna kind of just try to gradient it as best as we can. And then we're going to go into the blue shade, same brush, and just kind of stamping and swiping here. I'm not trying to go too crazy with the blending. And then just kind of ombreing these two shades together. Just like that, and then going into the green shade. And with the green shade, of course, we're gonna do like our little wing here. And it doesn't have to be perfect because right now we're gonna clean it and leave it nice and sharp. Okay, you guys, so now that I have that brow bone highlight on, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna be showing you guys just like a little preview of what I'm using because I know some of you guys don't like to go down to the description. But I'm just gonna kind of like fast forward this part so you guys can see what I'm using, and then I will show you guys the final look. Okay, you guys, so that completes the look. I absolutely love it, and I really just wanted it to be super light. I didn't put on fake lashes or anything like that. I just, my natural lashes, put some mascara, and then I actually went a little deeper on the lipstick. You guys know that I love this lipstick. If you've seen it before, this is the Colored Rain Bachelorette. I love it. As for the shadows, I'm obsessed. I'm not surprised. I absolutely love their Mega Matrix palettes. They are the best. I think the formula is so, I don't know how to explain it. It's like pigmented, but you can also just go in softly and create a soft look. But if you really want to like brighten it up and tone it up, you totally can. And if you don't know about Makeup Geek, or maybe just haven't visited their site recently, they do sell all these shadows separately. You can buy them individually, you can build your own palette, you can create like a 4-pan palette, a 9-pan palette. It's pretty amazing, and I think it's nice because it fits everybody's budget. And at the end of the day, we don't all need a million colors. Like, some of us, like, yes, we're obsessed, but other people just buy makeup for everyday use. So my suggestion for you is to go on their website and just build the perfect palette, and that could be your go-to everyday palette. And again, you have choices as to how many shadows and so on and so forth. So I am obsessed with the new shadows just as much, and I think they're super cute. And just to remind you guys, I do not get paid to talk about Makeup Geek or any brand on my channel. I am not sponsored or anything like that. If it ever happens, I will let you guys know. But I just love these shadows so much, and I think that it's just such a great way to let everybody try it out. Or maybe you do collect makeup and you don't feel like you need the full collection, so you can just build and pick up whatever you need. But anyway, you guys, that's going to be it from me. Thank you for joining me today. Please stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios!